Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
But in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's practical preaching, he only...
That is not possible for ordinary man.
What, to simply induce people to chant? He only introduces...
But who is chant? Who is chant?
Well, if they won't chant, then neither will they train up in the varnasrama.
Chanting will be there. But you cannot expect that people will chant like Chaitanya. They cannot even chant 16 now.
Well, we've been...
That's just going to be Chaitanya.
No, but if they at least will chant and take some...
Chanting will go on. That is not stopped. But at the same time, the varnasrama dharma has to stand to make the way easy.
Well, at least my own understanding was that the chanting was introduced in the age of Kali because varnasrama is not possible.
Because it will cling to mind. Chanting will not stop.
So therefore the chanting was introduced and to replace all of the systems of varnasrama and like
yes,
that.
Yes, it can replace, but who is going to replace it? Then people are not so advanced. If you imitate Haridas Thakur to chant, then it's not possible.
We tell them go on with your job, but chant also.
Yes. Thakur apana kaaj, apana kaaj. अपना काज करती चैतन्य महाराज देता हूँ कहानी सीता निंदित धुना धुने निंदित खाना गंदी सावर या chanting with that. जैसे सावर या जाता था There are she doesn't know this kind of chanting will work. That's why our Multilanguge, he was not fit for sunlight, but he has given sunlight. And Thai woman, he was a cat. I have to do so. That's what not some dharma is required. Simply, so bottle will not do. So, the varnasrama dharma should be introduced all over the world and
introduced starting with ISKCON community?
Yes. Brahman, Kshatriya, there must be regular education.
Well, in our community, it's being that we're training up as Vaishnavas,
yes.
Then how will we be able to make division in our society?
Yes, Vaishnava is not so easy. The varnasrama dharma should be established to become a Vaishnava. It is not so easy to become a Vaishnava.
No, it's not.
Therefore this is it. Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is not so easy. Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is so easy, like so many fall down. It's not easy.
The varnasrama
sannyas is for the highest qualified Brahman. Simply by grazing like a dasta. Hold on.
So the varnashram system is like for the canisters. Canister adhikari.
Canister.
When one is only on
Yes,
the platform of the neophyte.
Canister, yes.
Varnashram system is beneficial.
When he says regarding money, he must be a Brahman. That is Konishya. When he says that right, Konishya regarding means he must be a qualified Brahman. That is Konishya. What he is acting as very high position in the material world. Brahmana. That is Konishya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,